Would you like to earn $15 to $50 multiple times over and over again? Now, in this video, that's what I'm going to be talking about. So welcome. If you're looking for another great make money video, you just land on the perfect video. So if this is your first time, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, you know what to do. Like, make sure you drop in the comments and let me know that you're rewatching the video. All right, so welcome to the family for all the people that are brand new. And I'm going to share with you how to earn $15 to $50 multiple times over and over again just by doing this simple method. Everybody knows that right now, digital marketing is a trend. And why digital marketing is going on the up and up, as you can see, they take you back from all the way to 2005, and it's rising, and it's not going to stop. So digital marketing, everybody is using this platform right now. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some money through simple, different tricks. All right, let's do this. And before I dive in, if you're looking for my number one recommendation where you can make $200 to $300 every day consistently, and you want to learn a skill, I highly recommend you check out my number one recommendation in the description. So just check it out and I'll send it over to you right now. So a lot of people don't know about this, but this right now it can be very lucrative. If you apply what I'm going to teach you, you can make some money with this method. Now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to go over to audible.com. So the website that I'm going to share with you is audible.com. And Audible is an Amazon company. So you're getting a free audio book. But wait for it. People that come onto this website, if they click here, so that's why you can make money over and over again. If they click on here, they're going to get you could try a audio book for free. So if you scroll down here, you can see people could sign up for a 30-day trial. They get a free membership for 30 days with one audiobook, and they get 2 Audible originals. After the trial, they get 3 titles each month, 1 audiobook plus 2 Audible originals. Exclusive Audible guided wellness program. So when they click on here, they can sign up. It's a $14.95 per month for the 30 days. They can cancel at any time. So people are downloading books these days. They're going on Kindle because the digital space is taking over. People do like to buy books, and nothing is wrong because people like to have that physical book in their hand so they can read it and they can do that. Not a problem. They can also come on here and they can join this program. Now, as you can see right here, there's tons of books. There's some great books. Girls Stop Apologizing. My wife bought this book. It's by Rachel Hollis. I haven't read it yet, but it's a great book. You have Harry Potter. You got Michelle Obama to Becoming. You have David Goggins. And this guy right here is awesome. Like, if you look at his book, everything is like 5-star right across the board. So he's doing well. So our guarantee, as what they're saying, you won't be charged until after 30 days. So if you go out there and you can promote this, you can make money. Now, most of you probably wondered, all right, how do I find people? How do I get the word out and everything? And how do I get people to sign up? But before I do that, I'm going to let you know where you need to sign up for their great affiliate program. So with this, you want to head on over to Google. I already went on Google and I searched. I found it. You want to type in Audible affiliate program. When you type in Audible affiliate program, this is the one that you need to click on. Once you click on here, it will take you over to Audible Creator Program. It is with Amazon, so that's a good thing. So right here, as you can see, they advertise, you promote the links, people click on the link, you can make money over and over again. You drive traffic to the links or the banners, and you can earn money for the visitors that sign up and they use this service. So they've been starting this since 2000 and 15. So it's been going on a long time, but not many people know about this. If you do it the right way and you execute it, you can make money. So here are some of the structure that you're going to be getting, right? And how much you can earn. So the Audible Gold, you get like a $10 value. Audible trial membership is like $5. Audible audiobook is like 50 cents. So you can make money because it's going to add up. So after 30 days, get one audiobook for a 14-day and you receive 30% off the price of the additional audio purchase. They can cancel it anytime. So this is how you can make money just by getting your own affiliate link from Audible. And if you want to become an affiliate, all you have to do is just click on right here where it says become an affiliate. Make sure you sign up, sign into Amazon, and you can get started like immediately. So once you sign up and you get the link, now what do? Now I went over and show you that you could sign up for and you can make videos about these books. How are you going to find them? Some of these books are in the library. Some books are online that you can search and you can get them for free. Most people don't have time to search for those books. You can give reviews on these books and people are going to search them. And what happens? You can then insert, excuse me, your affiliate link. Like this person right here. Perfect example. They made this like 3 years ago. They're still making money from this video because it ranked as the #1. So every time somebody buys, they make money. Come down here, it's the same thing. Amazon. People click on here, they're going to buy. They're going to buy because you're going to give a review of the book. Once you read it, a little summary. It doesn't have to be long. Make sure you structure it correctly, and then people will sign up for the link. Now, you don't have to be on video if you don't want to. You could put a picture of the book, and then you could read and give a rundown. So you don't have to be on camera. I know many people are afraid of the camera. You don't have to be. So just make an audio, set it up, make a video clip-ins with words moving and all the type of stuff. And then you could just give your reviews and recommendation. And then you could send people directly to the link. Also, if you don't want to do any video, you can always go on Twitter. Twitter is always good. There's people always want to find out about books. So you can type in the book that you want to refer and see if people actually search for it. So you can head on over Twitter and then type in, because people like, anybody read this book before. You can reply to those people and let them know you could get this book on Amazon and you could just drop your affiliate link. Likewise, there's Facebook groups out there that all about reading and all about books. So once you do that, you can get people to sign up, right? And then you can make money. You can make some commission. You make, you won't make a ton of money doing this. It's not life changing, but it's stopgap. You can make money just by doing this. So you earn anywhere from like $15 to $50 multiple times over and over again just by doing this. So not many people know about this because people overlook these things. And I've done some research, and you can go out there and you can crush it. If you do it the right way, you can execute this program. So try it out, see if it works, and let me know in the comments by just dropping anything later on if it doesn't work. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. So once again, my name is Andre, and I'll see you on the next one. Go out there, use it, and check out my #1 recommendation in the first description. Peace. Talk to you soon. Bye.